How to install the slot 2-inch and 4-inch node, Pendant Direct and Indirect from Mark Lighting. Before we begin, review the installation manual for a complete list of safety instructions. We recommend having the submittable drawings on hand at the start of the installation. With the slot node, create a wide range of patterns with our 2-inch and 4-inch corner nodes. Prepare the slot pendant track by positioning it below the ceiling, and identify each section of the track and corner nodes. For grid ceilings, first install the J-box into the ceiling and ensure the bottom edge is flush with the ceiling. Connect the metal conduit from the building power to the J-box. Then mount the crossbar to the J-box by using 2 number 8 screws. Next, insert the strain relief to the feed cord. Pass the feed cord through the hole in the canopy and make the wire connections inside the J-box. Then flush the canopy with the crossbar and thread the coupler onto the crossbar screw. For non-feed locations that are aligned with the ceiling grid, first insert the bolt into the bottom of the initial bracket and hook it onto the grid member. Then hook the second bracket onto the initial bracket and adjust them to fit properly in the ceiling. Next, push the tab from the initial bracket toward the second bracket to secure them together. Ensure the brackets are secured to the building structure by referencing the local building codes. For non-feed locations that are not aligned with the ceiling grid, first, slide the hanger onto the caddy bar and fit the caddy bar into the upper slots on the grid members. Insert the bolt into the bottom of the initial bracket and hook the 2 brackets together. Adjust the brackets to the proper location and push the tab from the initial bracket toward the second bracket to secure them together. Ensure the brackets are secured to the building structure by referencing the local building codes. For Hardlid ceilings, first install the 4-0 J-box into the ceiling. Then mount the crossbar to the J-box by using 2 number 8 screws. Next, insert the strain relief to the feed cord. Pass the feed cord through the hole in the canopy and make the wire connections inside the J-box. Then flush the canopy with the crossbar thread and coupler onto the crossbar screw. Next, mount the grip lock from the hanging hardware kit onto the screw provided on the fixture. Next, grasp the dust cover and pull it slowly out of the housing. Unscrew the 4 number 8 screws and remove the reflector tray. Then pull the feed cable through the grommet at the beginning of the fixture run. Using pliers, compress the metal strain relief on the power feed cable and connect the wires together. To install the node connectors to the different sections, utilize the provided slide aligners, node joiners, and aligner keys. Install aligner keys onto the node joiners. The bump on the aligner keys should face the extrusions of the linear sections. Half of the aligner keys should be exposed to insert them into the linear sections. Before connecting the sections together, connect the wires together between the linear sections and the node joiners. Now, install the slider aligners by installing them into the appropriate slots on the node joiner. Join the linear sections together by engaging the latch to the hook. Pull on the end of the latch toward the node joiner to connect it. To complete the installation, insert the reflectors back into the housings and secure them with number 8 screws. Finally, gently push the dust cover back onto the housing and snap it into place. Experience design in motion with the Slot 2 and Slot 4 node. To learn more about our node corner options and our slot linear fixtures, visit marklighting.acuitybrands.com.